What if I told you that the idea that money can't buy happiness is completely wrong? Yeah, I know. We've all heard it 1,000 times. However, let me tell you, after spending years struggling to make ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck, and trying to just get by, I realized something that completely shattered my long-held beliefs. Everything I thought I knew about wealth was flipped upside down. I'm going to let you in on something most people don't talk about. The real reason you need to become rich. Here's the thing. Being rich isn't just about fancy cars or big houses. It's about freedom. Freedom to spend your time on what matters most. Freedom to give back. Freedom to live life on your terms. And the sooner you realize that, the sooner you'll stop believing the common misconception that money is the root of all evil. Trust me, once you see the value of financial freedom, you'll realize that the belief that rich people are greedy is nothing more than a lie holding you back. Now, here are 5 reasons why becoming rich is necessary. 1. Freedom to control your time. Money buys you the most valuable resource of all, time. When you're financially secure, you no longer have to trade hours for dollars in a 9-to-5 job you might not love. You can choose how you spend your days, whether that's working on passion projects, traveling the world, or simply enjoying quality time with loved ones. Wealth allows you to prioritize what truly matters to you, rather than being stuck in the constant grind of making ends meet. Imagine waking up each day and deciding exactly how to spend your time with no financial constraints holding you back. That's the ultimate freedom money brings. 2. Better opportunities for personal growth. When you're rich, you can invest in your personal growth like never before. Whether it's pursuing higher education, attending workshops, or learning new skills, financial success allows you to evolve continuously. Wealth gives you access to better learning opportunities that can further improve your career, relationships, and personal development. Want to take a course on something you're passionate about? Or attend a life-changing conference? Money makes that possible. 3. Ability to provide for your loved ones. There's no greater feeling than being able to support your family and friends, ensuring that they have the best opportunities and security in life. Financial success allows you to provide a higher quality of life for the people you care about. Whether it's funding your children's education, supporting a loved one's medical expenses, or simply creating a safe, comfortable home environment, being rich means you're in a position to uplift those around you. Financial stress is one of the biggest burdens on families, and wealth gives you the peace of mind to protect your loved ones from those struggles. 4. Creating impact and giving back. Once you've secured your financial freedom, you're in a much better position to give back to the community. Being rich isn't about hoarding wealth. It's about using your resources to make a positive difference in the world. Whether it's donating to causes you care about, starting a charity, or helping people in need, wealth amplifies your ability to contribute to society. Think about the social change you can spark when money is no longer a limitation. You can fund projects that truly matter and make the world a better place. 5. Peace of mind and financial security. One of the most underrated benefits of becoming rich is the peace of mind it brings. When you're financially secure, you're not living paycheck to paycheck, constantly worrying about bills, emergencies, or unexpected expenses. Wealth allows you to create a financial safety net, ensuring you can handle whatever life throws your way without stress. This mental clarity allows you to focus on what truly matters, rather than constantly being anxious about money. Imagine living without the fear of financial ruin. The security wealth provides can give you the mental and emotional stability to thrive. Becoming rich isn't just about living in luxury. It's about unlocking the potential to live a life of true freedom, impact, and fulfillment. Financial success gives you the tools to control your time, help your loved ones, grow personally, contribute to society, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with security. So what's stopping you from pursuing wealth?